Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. I'm glad you're here today because I'm going to be doing a deep dive into the analytics and data to understand what woodworking projects sell online. Now, this isn't my opinion. It's not my top 5 things. It's not other YouTuber top things. This is not clickbait. This is nothing like that. This is actual real analytics and data to really show you what you can make and what you can sell on online platforms like Etsy. Now, I came across an application software called Alura several months ago, and I did a deep dive analysis into what sells on Etsy and how much a single woodworking project or an idea actually makes on that platform. And it literally blew my mind. There are things that make $50,000 a month. Yes, I said a month. And if you're interested in learning about this application, how it changed my life, how it's going to change my whole perspective on woodworking and what I'm going to be making to sell things online, stick around. We're about to get started. So this is Alura. This is the platform that I'm using to do all the analytics and research for what products are selling on Etsy related to woodworking. I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. And you can see here's my dashboard. It tells me what my monthly revenue is, how many orders I have, and they have lots of other features that I can go into later. But really, the most important thing is the product research. Under here, there's a thing called Shop Analyzer. If you click this, you can search any Etsy store, and it'll populate and pull all the information on it. So I've already populated that, and this one we are looking at the Muirwood home. Their monthly revenue is $10,520, it looks like. And you can see their number one thing right now is our first home gift. It's a custom wooden sign that basically shows you where you first lived. You can see how many monthly sales they've had, how many have favored it, and the total sales. So that's really important, is they're making quite a bit of money just off this one item, and it also ranks in popularity and goes down from there. Let me show you another one. This is Wood and Gift Company. They make this little stand here that holds all your gadgets, and you can see that they have about 71 sales a month, and it sells quite a bit of these. And they just have different organizers enlisted here. So you can see here they're selling over 1,000 of these a month, which is crazy. All right, let me show you another one. This is Copper Fox Company. They are selling charcuterie boards, and these are just personalized. Nothing fancy here, and they are selling 5,000 total. Can you believe that? And they're selling about 139 monthly. And if you want to dive deeper into this, you can just simply click this, and over on the side here, it shows you what the monthly revenue is and what the total revenue is for that specific item, which is really awesome. And then you can also view it on Etsy if you want. Let me pull up another one. These numbers get crazier. This one is a pallet sign. Can you believe it? They sell 426 a month. So let me pull this up. This one sign makes $20,000 a month. That's over $100,000 a year that they are making on just this one pallet sign. Crazy, right? Next, let's pull up this one. This is Draple Woodworks. They make piggy banks, basically. And let me pull this one up. And this is just the letter N. 18,000. They have a gift for dad, very similar to the other one that you saw on the other website. They're selling $5,000 worth of those a month. And then lastly, this is crazy. You can see the shop revenue per month is $67,000. This one is a charcuterie board. They're making $100,000 a month off charcuterie boards. Look at this. This is what's crazy. $36,000 a month off this charcuterie board. Incredible, right? This is a really great and powerful tool. You can do research analysis on the shop, which you see here. You can also look and search for products. So if you want to search for a specific item or something that's related, you can search and tag. So if you want to say woodworking or wood gift, you can search this. It'll pull up some of the results. And you can start exploring all of these different gift ideas. And they're showing you the revenue, the total sales, really awesome stuff. So this is Email Sender. So it sent over 857 emails and generated $342.74. If I did not have this enabled, you can see I enabled it in September, and you can see how much it generated in sales by sending those emails. If I did not have this feature enabled, I would have lost out on $342. So this has been really helpful for me, and it's all automated. It just basically does it for new subscribers, email confirmations, and orders, and it has been really great. Next is Keyword Finder. This is a great thing if you want to do like wood gifts. Okay, so you can see wood gifts. There's 18.4 million views, favorites, competition, sales, prices. That's the average price. So that helps you with pricing. And it gives you all of these ideas on the main category. You can see wood gifts, housewarming gifts. And if we click into this, you can see housewarming gifts and how it trends. This is a really great, helpful tool. You can see price breakdown, most expensive, to the average price, to the least expensive. You can see categories such as signs, cutting boards, wall hanging, ornaments, and frames. Processing time, how long it's taking people to process. Customizable, if they're customizable or not. Digital. And then here you can see the listings. So for example, wooden gifts, custom wood signs. We can click on this here. Monthly revenue. Yes, that's correct. $70,000. And if we want to view it on Etsy, this is it. So this wooden sign has monthly revenue, or this sign has monthly revenue of $70,000. Personalized bridesmaid hangers, rustic organizers, and then what you can do, we can click list on Etsy. You can select this right here. We're going to look at the site. Like, oh, that's interesting. I wonder how much they make a year. We can check this, and then we can go into research, the shop analyzer. And that's their all-time. They've made 2.8 million, and we can go monthly. They make about $26,000 a month. And you can see their most popular item is right here, which we just looked up. There you go. And they have different variations of that. Understanding the analytics and data behind why a woodworking project sells online is really important. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to check out Alura, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Be sure to click it, check it all out, and research it yourself and create a free account. Well, if you have any comments or questions about anything that I shared or discussed in this video, be sure to post below. I'm here to help you guys out and answer any questions that you may have. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and I would ask that you consider subscribing. All right, guys, well, till next time, I'll see you later.